Hello friends. Today I am going to show you how to connect your website with Google Tag Manager. So without further delay, let's get into the presentation. So first you have to come to Google Tag Manager website. tagmanager.google.com. You have to come to that website and you have to create a new account. Create an account. Press here. Here you have to set up your account first. There first you have to give the company name. So here I am going to create an account for this client. Let me check the website name first. Select the country. So you can tick this column if you want to share your data with Google. Nothing, no harm in it. Here you have to give the URL. So I will copy the URL from here. It's always good to copy the URL to avoid spelling mistake. So it's a website. So here we have the option if it is a website or Android app or iOS app or AMP version of the website. So here we are going to install Google Tag Manager in a website. So I selected web. Then I click here create. You have to agree with the terms and conditions. All right. So Google is giving me these two couple of codes that I have to install it in my website. I'm going to show you how to install this code in the website. There are multiple ways to do it. So I'm going to show you a method that is super easy. And if you follow this method, you won't get it wrong, I'm sure. Okay. So just come to the website. This is my WordPress dashboard of my website. So by the way, I'm going to show the method in a WordPress website. If you have a custom website like HTML or a PHP website or some other website, then you need the help of a developer. Don't do it yourself. Get the help of a developer and install it. For WordPress website, you can do it yourself by following the method that I'm going to show you. Okay, so go to your plugins. Select add new. You have to install a new plugin first. Plugin name is insert headers and footers. Insert headers and footers by WP Beginner. This is the website. So I think this website is already, I have added this website already. It is active also. So this website is this plugin is here in my website. So you have to install this website and activate the website. Okay, yeah. After doing this activation, you have to come here in the left side panel and look for settings. In settings, you will find this option insert headers and footers. Click here. So once you click this headers and footers here under settings, you will get this screen. You will find the settings here. Now what you want to do, you have to go back to your Google Tag Manager, this page, and copy this tag that Google is giving. You have to copy it. Okay. So Google is giving you two set of snippets. You have to copy the first set of snippets here, then come back to the dashboard and copy here. Again, go back to the Google Tag Manager workspace, Google Tag Manager page, and copy the second snippet and paste here. Then save it. So literally, we have taken the code snippets from Google Tag Manager and pasted it in the backend of our website. All right. After doing that one, again we have to come back and close this one, and we have to see, we have to check whether it is properly installed or not. For that purpose, we have to check the preview before submitting. Check preview here. Okay, now you have to enter your website URL in this field. This is checking process. We have to check whether we have done it correctly or not. Then connect. Automatically, a window will open with our website to to see whether that has done correctly or not. Tag assistant connected. Okay, tag assistant is connected. So our we have done it right. You have to click continue here. Okay, so that process is over. It is connected. So this is the process of connecting your website to Google Tag Manager. All right. So if you have any questions, please feel free to uh, put your comments. I will try to answer as soon as possible. Okay. Thank you.